Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we have the collaboration Styling My Way. So I want to decorate, I want to style my coffee table in my tiny little living room. So I am going to give you a few different versions of it. And this collaboration is hosted by the Great Life DIY and Tablescape by Candy. Guys, I'm telling you, I think this table, my apartment is so small, but it gets so dusty. It's ridiculous. Anyways, they have many co-hosts, and of course, myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Designs with Emma, Sasu Glam Style, Debbie Bubbles, Joanne Home Decor, and more, and Angie Forson. Guys, I'm going to leave the links of their channels in my description box below. Guys, here I am. Hi. So guys, I don't know, I'm going to link here in one of the cards, here or here, the DIY that I created yesterday for you guys to see. I'm going to be using my candle holders that I did in my last minute DIY. So I want to start, of course, by, I always give my family photos. So I'm using my daughter's photo with my grandson in the crystal frame, and of course my grandson's photo. I'm going to just give you a few little versions of styling, what I do in my table, and of course I will be showing you my DIYs that I created. So simple like this. I'm also going to put my crystal candy jars, which I have two of. I have more, but what I have took out from my moving here. So for an example, this is one, and yes, I will be turning off the light so you guys can see the little candle holders. And this is my DIY that I created yesterday in my last minute DIYs. I created these candle holders and I show you how I did them. And for now, I'm going to be using tea light candles. You know what, guys? Let me move you the other way. Hold on. So I'll move you like this. Those are my candle holders. I'm going to bring you close, but in between my stuff, I will place a bouquet of flowers. Let me turn off the main light so you guys can see my candle holders with the tea light candles. So that's what it would look like with the tea light candles. And of course, there you go. I will turn this one the right way. They're very simple to create, and it's basically, I know it's busy in the background, but just this is what my styling my way looks like with my DIY candle holders. Okay, and if you want to see them close the design, they are in the last minute DIY video. Like I said, I will link it in the card above. All right, guys, that's one way that I will decorate my candles. And also have in mind that you could use them also as flower vase, okay? All right, in this one, I will be adding another pictures, which I'm going to add them side by side. And I'm going to show you another way to use my DIY candle holders slash vases. Okay, I know, you know, it's hard when you have small table and big family photos. All right, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, I lost my little tea light candles. Hold on. Oh, here they are. All right, so I'm going to place my tea light candles there. Like so. Actually, yeah, just an example. Just an example. Okay, like that. Then, remember I said you could turn them around. You will use your vase. Sorry, I'm walking in front of the camera. You will use your vases. Like so, with the tea light candles on the bottom. And of course, we'll place another picture frame here in the center. And we will put some little pine cones. And this is another way that you can style my DIY vases slash candle holders. All right, guys, let me give you one more. And I come over here and I will talk to you. And since we are in Christmas, still, of course, I'm going to use this green runner. I got this runner. It's from the Dollar Tree. I bought it maybe like 2 years ago. So, make it even. Okay, I want to start by adding my little Santa Claus planter with the little Christmas tree. And of course, my little candle holders. So, like so. I don't know if it's too far away. Yeah, like that. Back here, I would add my grandson's and daughter's photo. Guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday with your families. So far, we are enjoying our holiday. And it's a blessing that our daughter is still celebrating with us. She's feeling better today. I spoke to her. A lot of you guys know that my daughter is on dialysis. But I thank God for every day that she's here with us. All right, guys. Maybe I also add the black one back here for contrast. Yeah. Guys, if you see my other video and you watch it in full, tell me what you guys saw that it was funny. It had to do with my husband. So, yeah, guys, that's my final display. I'm going to leave it like this. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys like it. I hope... Oh, I added a pine cone in each of them. Let me me put them like this. So guys, this is my final display. I hope you guys like it. My DIY candle holders. All right, guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Actually, hold on, guys. Don't go yet. Don't go. There we go with the light on. My final display. All right, guys. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.